Now that PowerNotes has been added to your browser, you are ready to begin working. Check to make sure that PowerNotes is active by clicking the PowerNotes extension logo in the upper right corner of your browser window. If it isn't active, be sure to click on the Enable PowerNotes button before continuing. The first step is to create a project. Click the PowerNotes icon in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. This will pull up a window on the right side of your browser. At the top of this new window, next to the PowerNotes logo, is the name of your current project. You will likely begin with a default project already created for you. Click the drop-down arrow and select Create New Project. This will pull up a new window in the center of your screen where you can input the project name and the project description. Click the blue Create button to finish creating the project.